Tired of blaming your rod for your fishing failures? It's time to upgrade your gear and your excuses. I'm going to show you the 7 best ones, and you'll find links to them in the video description. Number 1. Plusino Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. For anyone stepping into the world of fishing or coming back after a long hiatus, the Plusino Combo feels like a warm handshake from an old friend. Affordable, compact, and ready to go out of the box. It's the kind of gear that makes you want to call in sick and head straight for the lake. The telescopic rod is lightweight yet sturdy, collapsing down easily for travel or storage. Paired with a smooth spinning reel that comes pre-spooled, this combo is clearly designed with convenience in mind. The EVA grip feels comfortable even during longer sessions, and the rod has just enough sensitivity to make sure you feel those subtle nibbles. One of the real joys here is how quickly you can go from unpacking to casting. It's intuitive, forgiving, and won't intimidate newer anglers. Whether you're trying your luck at base or casually fishing from the dock, the Plusino Combo delivers reliable performance with minimal fuss. Sure, it might not have the backbone for hauling in the monsters of the deep, but for freshwater fishing and casual weekends, it's a trusty sidekick. If you're expecting pro-level precision, this might feel a bit entry-level, but that's exactly what makes it perfect for beginners. Looking for a no-hassle rod that won't cost you a fortune but still gets the job done? This one's a keeper, literally. Number 2. Linerique Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. Linerique's combo is the kind of gear that makes you wonder why you didn't start fishing sooner. Lightweight, travel-friendly, and surprisingly stylish, it checks all the right boxes for hobbyists and beginners alike. The telescopic carbon fiber rod extends and retracts with satisfying ease, making it ideal for backpacking trips or impromptu fishing stops. The reel feels smooth on the retrieve and has decent drag control, while the aluminum spool adds a nice touch of durability without the extra weight. What really stands out is how portable and compact this setup is. Toss it in the trunk, backpack, or boat without a second thought. It's made for mobility, and despite the modest price, the rod doesn't feel flimsy or throwaway. It's responsive enough for panfish and bass, and won't let you down on a peaceful afternoon by the water. If we're being picky, the reel might not satisfy more seasoned anglers chasing trophy fish, and the combo lacks extras like a carrying case. But those are small trade-offs for the value you're getting here. So if you've been itching to try fishing without diving into expensive gear, this combo's a fantastic place to start. You might even reel in more than just fish, like a new obsession. Number 3. Cast King Spartacus Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. The Spartacus combo from Cast King doesn't just sound like a gladiator, it performs like one. Bold, powerful, and built with serious anglers in mind, this rod and reel combo means business. From the moment you grip the carbon-infused handle, it's clear you're dealing with something premium. The rod boasts exceptional sensitivity and strength, while the low-profile reel offers buttery smooth casting with minimal backlash. The magnetic braking system is a standout, giving you precise control over each cast. Whether you're flipping jigs or chasing bass, this combo delivers power and finesse in equal measure. It's responsive, agile, and robust, perfect for anglers looking to level up their game. Plus, the balance between rod and reel feels natural, reducing fatigue during longer sessions. Now, at this price point, you'd expect top-tier quality, and mostly, that's what you get. The only real consideration is that beginners might find the advanced controls a bit overwhelming. This is not a grab-and-go setup. It demands attention and rewards skill. But for those ready to move beyond casual fishing, the Spartacus is a mighty companion. Ask yourself, isn't it time your gear matched your ambition? Number 4. Berkley Cherrywood Casting Fishing Rod. If you love the feel of classic gear with a touch of modern design, the Berkley Cherrywood Casting Rod will charm you right out of the gate. It's sleek, balanced, and brings a level of craftsmanship that's rare at this price point. The cherrywood finish isn't just for looks. It pairs beautifully with the cork handle for a timeless tactile feel. Built with hybrid design construction, the rod offers a great balance of flexibility and strength. It's sensitive enough to detect light bites, yet has the backbone to handle a surprising variety of catches. Using this rod feels like driving a vintage car that's been secretly upgraded under the hood. It performs smoothly, casts accurately, and doesn't fight you on the retrieve. Perfect for freshwater adventures, especially when paired with a solid bait casting reel. The one limitation? It's a rod only, no reel included, so beginners will need to purchase that separately. But if you already have a favorite reel or prefer to customize your setup, this gives you a great foundation to build on. So if you're looking to add a touch of class to your fishing gear without breaking the bank, this Cherrywood beauty might be your next go-to. Number 5. Ghost Horn Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. Every now and then, a product comes along that seems tailor-made for the wanderlust angler, and the Ghost Horn combo checks all the boxes. This isn't just a rod and reel, It's a full experience packaged into a travel-friendly bundle. Whether you're hiking to a hidden stream or just like to keep a rod in your car just in case, this combo fits seamlessly into your spontaneous fishing lifestyle. The rod itself is made from a carbon fiber and fiberglass blend, offering a rare balance between flexibility and strength. It's telescopic, which means it folds down to a compact size without sacrificing stability once extended. The reel is preloaded with smooth bearings and features an aluminum spool, contributing to a satisfying casting motion and a stable retrieve. You can tell from the first use that it's built to handle more than just the occasional fish. What really elevates this combo is how complete it feels. It includes a carrier case, lures, line, and even extra accessories, making it ideal for both beginners and intermediate anglers who want an all-in-one solution. There's a certain joy in knowing you can grab one bag and be ready to fish anywhere, anytime. Isn't that what the spirit of fishing is all about? If we're splitting hairs, the rod sensitivity isn't as finely tuned as some premium models, especially when detecting soft bites. Serious pros might notice this on more technical fishing trips. But let's be real, if you're climbing rocks or kayaking into coves, pinpoint sensitivity probably isn't your top priority. So, who's it for? Adventurers, travelers, and practical anglers who value portability without compromising function. If you've been looking for a go-to combo that's as mobile and ready for action as you are, the Ghost Horn is calling your name. Number 6. Fiblink Fishing Rod. The Fiblink Fishing Rod is like the sturdy pickup truck of fishing gear, rugged, dependable, and built to handle the tough stuff. If you've been daydreaming about offshore trolling or taking on bigger saltwater beasts, this rod brings the muscle without making you take out a second mortgage. Crafted from solid carbon fiber, it's designed specifically for strength and stiffness, qualities that become crucial when targeting large fish in demanding environments. This is not your average spin and cast setup. It's purpose-built for trolling, with heavy-duty roller guides that reduce line friction and maintain smooth tension, even when a fish starts testing your patience and your biceps. One thing that stands out is the confidence this rod inspires. It feels durable in your hands, the kind of gear that won't let you down when you're miles offshore or anchored near deeper structures. The handle has a non-slip grip that stays comfortable even after hours of waiting and reeling, and the overall construction suggests it's ready for repeated use under harsh conditions. Now, it's worth noting that this rod isn't for every fishing scenario. It's not made for finesse or casual pond fishing. If you're chasing bluegill at your local dock, it might feel like bringing a sledgehammer to a thumbtack. But that's not a flaw. It's a clear case of the right tool for the right job. So if you're ready to step into more serious, deep water territory or want to gear up for that dream charter trip, Fiblink delivers a rod that feels more like a trusted weapon than a hobbyist's toy. Are you ready to fish like you mean it? Number 7. Abu Garcia Low Profile Fishing Rod Combo. Sometimes fishing isn't just a hobby, it's an art. And when you're ready to paint your masterpiece, the Abu Garcia Low Profile Combo hands you the perfect brush. This is premium gear for anglers who don't just want to fish, but want to feel connected to every cast, every strike, every battle. The first thing you notice is how sleek the setup looks. Streamlined and modern, without a hint of bulk. The rod is constructed from a sensitive 24-ton graphite blank, offering a surprisingly lightweight feel while retaining impressive strength. The reel, however, is where this combo really shines. With a low-profile bait-casting design, it gives you precise control over every cast and retrieve. You'll enjoy a smooth drag system, excellent braking to prevent backlash, and a comfortable grip that lets you fish for hours without cramping up. Performance-wise, it's a dream. You'll feel even the faintest nibble, which makes this setup ideal for targeting bass and other quick biters. It's fast, accurate, and responsive, almost like it's reading your mind. Casting is consistently smooth, and reeling in even moderately heavy fish feels fluid and confident. Is it beginner-friendly? Not quite. This isn't the rod you lend to your cousin who's never fished before. The precision and sensitivity can be overwhelming for someone unfamiliar with bait casting systems, and there is a bit of a learning curve. But for intermediate to advanced anglers, it's an absolute delight to use. Ultimately, the Abu Garcia combo feels like a professional instrument, something you can rely on season after season. It doesn't just help you catch fish, it helps you enjoy the process on a whole new level. If you're ready to take your fishing game from casual to committed, this combo makes a very persuasive case. Why settle for average when you could fish with something exceptional?